Hi guys, today we're going to be creating a clay coil heart like this. So to start off, we are going to be taking one chunk of clay and we're going to start by rolling it into a coil. This is like rolling a snake. And for the first one, you want a pretty good size of clay and roll it out as far as you can. I would say at least a foot long. Then once you have that piece rolled out, you're going to curve it and bring the two ends together and pinch them together for the inside of the heart. You're then going to pinch the bottom so you have your heart shape. Then you'll take those other pieces of clay and roll them into smaller coils, so little baby snakes like worms, and you're going to curl those into spirals. Now, as you create these coils, you're going to want to dip your fingers in water and rub them on the clay to make them stick to the heart frame. You'll then continue to roll small coils and connect them together in the heart frame. Try your best to fit as many as you can close together to fill in any gaps. After you've filled your entire heart with coils, it's time to seal it together so it doesn't fall apart when you lift it up. To do that, you're going to simply take your finger and gently smooth the whole back of it together. Now the front part underneath will stay with the coils, but the back part we're smoothing together to join those pieces of clay. This will help make your clay one solid piece. Once you've smoothed the back out, you can then take a tool to write your name on the back. And then it will be time to flip it. You can peel your coil heart off of the mat. Now you can see the coils and it's one solid piece. Now you have your clay coil heart. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.